Welcome to Cooking with Rose International Cuisine. Let's fry some chicken, extra crunchy, spicy Cajun style. You'll need 6 pieces bone-in chicken. Freeze your frame for the ingredients or click the link below. For the rub, you'll need Creole seasoning, garlic and chili powder, salt and pepper. First, tenderize your chicken by gently poking them with a fork. Place chicken in a large bowl, mix rub spices together and coat chicken with only half of the rub. Add beaten eggs, Louisiana hot sauce onto the chicken. For the batter, mix flour, cornstarch, and the remaining rub seasoning. Start the coating process. Take chicken out of the hot sauce bowl, coat each piece with flour, then dip again in the hot sauce and coat a second time with flour. Then fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until golden brown. Transfer your chicken onto a metal rack to catch excess grease, and your extra crunchy, spicy Cajun fried chicken is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and see you soon.